That's the check to get.
Here we go.
I love that.
Well, I think that you'd be able to tell the difference between the two, right?
Yeah, yeah. I love that.
Oh, yeah, see this.
Yeah. Like, it's his go-to.
You don't grow a beard for nothing.
Yep. I love that.
If anybody's looking for a good book, life-changing, beware.
Yeah.
A better future and some good stories. They're right here. Do it. Stacks on stacks on stacks. All right, quick 15-second pitch. If you want to have a better life, a better future, I mean, yeah, do it now, today. Barnes & Nobles. Barnes & Nobles, Do It book, Saturday afternoon. Best friends here. Life's great. In this book, roadblocks, things that are standing in your way from where you are today to where you want to be tomorrow. Taking action, the 9 different reasons. Book of the year, speaking it into existence.